Affordable 2-story townhouse na meron ng solar panel plus meron pang rainwater collection system. Yes, may bahay ka na, makakatipid ka pa sa tubig at kuryente. Located to sa Malainan, Bago, Naik, Cavite. Hi, this is Arlene. Tara, house tour kita. Dito sa harap, meron na kayong sariling parking lot. Plus, meron na siyang space kung mahilig kayong mag-garden. Ang kagandahan nito, meron na siyang screen door and windows at meron na din yung grills kaya safe talaga kayo. This is a Mora model 2-story townhouse with lot area of 50 square meters and floor area of 44 square meters. This is the actual turnover unit. Tara, pasukin natin.